Hello everyone, I welcome you all along with Tarek and Brian to my video lecture series Mechatronics Hands-on Learning for Understanding Sensor Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss a task in which we will give a decimal code and this Arduino sketch will convert it into a binary code. So how we will do this? So for this, we will give an Arduino code on our Arduino program, which normally known as a sketch. So if we give the value is something 3, so 3 means on 4 bits display. This means if we have 4 bits, which we are showing here through 4 LEDs, you can see here. So the first for getting the value of this 3, the first two should be on, rest two should be off. So you can see this display 0011, which is given over here also. This display is equal to the output binary 3. So this decimal 3 is converted into binary and that we can observe through this LED display also. So let's see what is the objective of this task. The task objective is to develop an Arduino code that dynamically control pins to display binary number using LED based on the decimal value which we are giving as a variable x. So this means we can change the value of x from 0 to 15 as per our need or requirement. For this circuit, we require a breadboard, Arduino UNO, the connecting wires, LEDs, and resistors. So you can see a simple circuit diagram. The this Arduino UNO, we are using 4 pins, the pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, and pin number 5, and a ground pin from the Arduino. So that you can see also here on the Arduino board. This pin 2 is connected with a resistor of 220 ohm, and then this 220 ohm is connected with the P side of our LED, which means we normally say as a positive side of the LED. And this we can identify it by the legs of LED. Normally, this longer leg is known as the positive terminal and the smaller leg is known as the negative terminal. So this way we will connect and this will go to the ground here. Similarly, the third pin will come like this. First with resistance, then with LED, and then it will go till ground. And similarly, 4 and 5. You can see here the pattern. So if we are giving the value 2 on our board, on our sketch, on our Arduino program, then display will be 0010, means LED 1, 2, 3, 4 if we count from this side. So the 1 will be off, second will be on, and third, fourth will be off. So in this way, we can get any pattern from 0 to 15 because we are using only 4 LEDs. So we can make a 4-bit binary number only from this program. So let's see the sketch first and then we'll go to the Arduino circuit diagram. So you see the first, this is our input. So what I want to make a pattern for my input 6. So this I can change from 0 to 15 anywhere. Pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, and pin 5. I'm giving by the variables name pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, and pin 5. So we are uh, going direct to the loop, and in loop we are giving if we are defining these number from 0 to 15 by this pattern, that if we are getting the value of x 0, so all 4 pins should be low. If we have x which is more than 8, so our pin number 2 should be high, otherwise it should be low. So this pattern we are making, and when we have the number between 4 and 7, so this pin number 3 is high, otherwise it is low. And if the value of x is either 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15, so this pin, 4 number pin is high, otherwise it is low. And if we are getting the x divided by 2 is 0, then the pin 5 is low, otherwise it is high. So how we are making this code? So this we can understand simply by this pattern. So this pattern which we are having here, so up to 0, 8, you can see up to 7, this pin is 0 and rest time it is high. So this pattern we are identifying through this, and we are writing the sketch according to this requirement. So this you can understand once you go through the code deeply, then you can understand how we are giving these syntax for writing our code. So let's see what will happen on the experimental setup. For this is, you can see here, this Arduino is connected with the ground pin 2, 3, 4, 5 pin with these LEDs through this resistance. And this arrangements, if you see here what I am giving 6. So for this 6, the output is something like this. So if I run the code, and I'll see the output again. So you can see here, I'll get 6, something like this. So 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is my output for the decimal 6. If I change it with, say, 0, and if I run the program, then you can see all 4 pins are off. Let's see this with some other another number. I'll put it like 6. We have done, so we will do with 3. So if I run it again, so you can see the output will appear once I'll run this program. So if I'm running this, so you can see for 3, the first digit is high, second digit is high, and rest 3 and 4 are low. So this, let's see, 113 number. So 13, or what we can observe here. So for 13, if we run this code, for 13, it will take some time. Let me run it again. So you can see this is the pattern for 13, 1, 0, 1, 1. And last we see when we have 15. So with 15, all 4 LEDs should be on to give the number 15. It will take some pause, and then it will give you the final answer. Otherwise, I will give a code. I will run the code again. Okay. So if I run it again, let's see what will happen. So you can see all four LEDs are on. So in this way, we can make a pattern for any decimal number from 0 to 15, because we are using 4-bit binary code using this Arduino. Thank you very much.